Today we have Rambutan. They look like weird alien eggs. They are a relative, or a cousin, if you will, of Longan, that we've also tried. So I'm expecting the texture to be a little bit similar. But taste-wise, I have no idea what to expect now after we have had Longan.
Yeah.
That's close up. You were saying that we're kind of getting to these a little bit late. You're supposed to...
Yeah, I guess you're supposed to eat them when they're red and turning brownish. But when I saw these at the store, they were already like this. So I was like, well...
It looks okay.
It's very cute.
Yeah. Looks like an eyeball still. It probably has a huge seed like Longan did. Oh, this one is softer.
Yeah, so you're supposed to just like make a small incision and then just rip it out.
Wow. Okay.
Got some udders in the innard.
The hairs.
Yeah. It's sticky.
So I'm getting some of the same flavor profiles as that Longan had going for it.
This one's more coconutty.
Yeah. This one is firmer. Oh. I got part of the seed in it. It's like sticking to the seed. I wonder if that's part of it. Like maybe it starts to adhere to the seed.
That would make too much sense. I
It's
still like
tasty.
it though.
Yeah. Which one do you like more? Longan versus Rambutan. I know they're totally different things.
It would honestly depend on my mood. Because the Longan kind of reminds me of candy. So like if I'm feeling sweet, I'm gonna go for that. But if I just want the texture and like something milder, I would choose this.
Yeah, this is milder than Longan.
It's milder and creamier.
But it still has that kind of honey-ish taste. You got big honking seeds though, like almonds.
I want more. So we're gonna have the rest of them.
Yeah. This one is very stuck to the seed, so I'm not getting much of it. So
I mean, I still ate it.
you still ate it?
Yeah, I still ate it. As long as you're not eating the actual seed, right?
That's true.
Alright, make your incision, open it. If you dare. Oh god.
I like this. This is good. It's I'm trying to develop how I would describe the texture. It is, like you said, a naked grape. A skinless grape texture. Yeah. Where did you open it?
I made an incision. Well, I did make one. Now I don't know where I put it.
Haha.
Good luck.
Yeah, these are weird fruit.
They are.
But I am glad we got the opportunity to try it. Here's the opening. So that's the alien egg.
It kind of reminds me of clear chicken skin. Like, close up, it looks like clear chicken skin.
Yeah, a bit.
And it's kind of gross, but kind of cool. You know, scratch my earlier answer. I think I'd like the Longan a bit better.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I would like to try this when it's prime and not like after prime.
Yeah.
I still think it's good though.
It's very good. Any final thoughts?
Yeah, the outside reminds me of tree pricklies when they fall on the ground, but it doesn't feel prickly.
No, they're like little hairs.
Yeah. It's unnerving. I must touch it.
If just for the conversation starter, they're definitely a conversation starter because they're so odd looking.